Here are 10 unique ways you can use AI in your 3D workflow with free tools. Number 10. Generating image as a texture. You can use any AI tool. I am using Google Gemini. This is my prompt. I want a high quality brick material with a flat texture in 1:1 ratio and make it seamless from the end with color slightly mixed in brown and pale yellow. You can change the prompt according to your need, but make sure you keep the 1:1 ratio because we need the square aspect. But we also need additional texture maps, and that's why we use Materialize. This is AI based texture generating tool. By the way, all the download links are in description so you can follow along. Don't get confused here. Just find this diffuse map option and hit this O button to open the texture we just created. And then you click this create button in order to generate different maps. Change the settings according to your needs. Then select the file format and save this project. Next thing I like is delighting. Sometimes when you find or click very good image with lots of details, you also get unnecessary lights. In order to remove that, you type this prompt, I have this image, I want you to remove the light from this and give me a flat texture so I can use this as my diffuse map in my 3D software. And now you can see we have very good diffuse map, and if we combine this with Materialize option, we can generate different maps. Let's look at number 7, which is AI-based retopology tool. Creators often do manual remeshing, but it takes lots of time. And in order to save this time, we have to use AI retopology add-ons like Octopo Remesher for Blender or Retopo Planes. I personally use Quad Remesher. It is one-click solution to fix your entire geometry. Number 6 is a simulation. I want to create a river simulation in 100 by 100 meter area inside my Blender 3D. Give me a working Python code for Blender 4.0 and it gives you a very good code. You have to change the prompt according to your Blender version, and sometimes you also get bunch of errors, so you can fix it by regenerating the code. This is a trial and error step, so you have to spend some time generating the code, but it will work eventually. Number 5 is for very specific people who use Cascador. It is this AI in-between keyframe assistant, one of the best feature to make animations super fast. Another thing which I wanted to add in the same step is the Mixamo AI based rigging tool, where you can upload your character and it rigs automatically. And talking about animations, number 4 is motion capture tools like Rococo or Move.ai. Rococo even have their Blender add-on where you can do retargeting as well. Highly recommended for smaller studios or independent creators who wanted to make very good animations and their own short films. Number 3 is creating storyboard or rough animatics for your short movie project. I hope you have your story. Then you go to Google Studio AI, but any AI tool with Nano Banana will work, and put your script here. Then you write this prompt, I have this short film story and I want you to generate shot by shot rough storyboard in 1:1 ratio, and it gives you storyboard. I know this is not perfect, but after few attempts you will get a good result. And also make sure to change the ratio according to your needs. Talking about short films, number 2 is generating AI dialogues for our digital character. And with help of Unreal Engine AI, we can use that voice to generate facial animation data. This feature only works after Unreal Engine 5.6. To generate dialogues, I use 11 Labs, but any other voice generating AI tool will work. And number 1, which is my personal favorite, to generate a character profile from different angles. So you open Google AI Studio and let's upload this picture. You can type this prompt, generate a character profile of this image shown but only the face. I want you to give me a neutral reaction of the face with a left side view, front view, right side view, and an additional orthographic view. So I can create this face as my 3D model. Make sure to keep the face texture as it is. And this is the result. Now you can use any face builder tools like MetaHumans or Character Creator. I personally use Keen tools. And the best part about this, I can just align this face with help of their AI face aligning option to get perfect result. And there you have it, 10 unique ways to use AI in your 3D workflow. Thanks for watching. I will meet you next time.